Selenium fresher interview questions. Okay. First one. What are the benefits of automated testing? It is general question. Now tell me, Rohini, what are the benefits of automated testing? Benefits of automated testing over manual testing? Drawbacks also there, but benefits are there. If no benefits, then no use of automated testing now. Rohini not responding. Continue, Sonu Pathak.
We can execute multiple test cases at a time by writing scripts.
That is not automated testing primary advantage. Sridhar, benefits of automated testing.
It improves accuracy.
Improves accuracy. Yes. But
And
that
it
is not
saves
primary.
time and
Saves
time and cost.
Cost. Okay.
Ensures consistency.
Okay.
Reliable in test results.
Okay.
Wider test coverage of application features.
Observe. Say according to the industry standards, Sonu Pathak, there are 6 advantages. Other advantages also there. First one, no sequence. Fast. What is fast? I will explain. Second one, reliable. Third one, repeatable. Fourth one, reusable. See, repeatable is different, reusable is different. Repeatable, reusable. Just a minute. This is fourth one. Next, programmable. Next, comprehensive. See, other advantages also there. These are important. Observe, Rohini, you are not responding properly today. First one, fast. What is fast? Say in software testing, 2 important activities, Sridhar. First one, test design, test execution. 2 important activities. Other activities also there. Test design, one activity. Next, test execution, another activity. In case of test design, we can't save the time in automated testing. For writing manual test case, time required, effort required. For writing automated test script also, time required, Sridhar, effort required. Tool can provide necessary interface. User need to instruct the tool. We need to instruct the tool. So for test design, in case of test design, no time save for automated testing. Sometimes it may take more time than manual testing also, manual test case writing also. But in case of test execution, we can save the time definitely. If it is manual testing, we need to execute the test case manually. We need to operate the application. If it is automated testing, 10 lines of code or 100 lines of navigation. If you select the run command, then tool can execute the steps one by one continuously with a simple time, short time. So in case of In case of test execution, automated test execution, user interaction not required. So tool can execute our test cases quickly. So fast. Okay, test design may not fast, but test execution is fast. Anyhow, test design most of the time one-time activities rather. One-time activity. Sometimes we may edit the test cases, but most of the time one-time activity. But test execution multiple times now. Say sanity testing, regression, cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3. We may execute our test cases multiple times. If it is manual testing,
Yes.
every time human user interaction is mandatory. If it is automated testing, once you create automated tests, tool can execute the test cases multiple times quickly. So definitely we can save the time. We can save the time in automated testing. Next, second, reliable. Reliable. What is reliable? Say, if it is manual testing, less reliable. Human user may make mistakes in terms of complex calculations, etc. Suppose you are checking, suppose you are validating 9-digit number into 8-digit number. Human user may make mistakes, but if you provide correct logic, tool can provide correct result every time. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So tools are more reliable than manual user. Next, repeatable. Repeatable. What is repeatable? We can
It can be
repeat our
repeated.
tests. We can repeat our tests on multiple versions of software. We can repeat sanity tests multiple times. We can repeat regression tests. So if it is manual testing, every time user interaction is required. Next, reusable. Mistake, my mistake. Repeatable, reusable, different. My explanation suitable to reusable. Reusable means we can reuse our tests multiple times. Sanity tests on every modified build, regression cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3. We can reuse our test cases on different builds of software.
Yes.
Repeatable means we can repeat the same test case with multiple sets of test data. Suppose I want to conduct data driven testing with 20 inputs or 30 inputs. If it is manual testing, I need to repeat the navigation every time manually. If it is automated testing, if you connect the test data file, tool can repeat the test case multiple times. Getting?
That's correct.
Repeatable means repeating the same test case with multiple sets of test data. Reusable, reusing test cases. Reusing test cases on multiple versions of software. Next, programmable. Try to understand this point, Rohini. Programmable. See, in manual testing, no programming. No programming. Only thinking, reasoning, and documenting. In automated testing, especially in functional automated testing, we use programming logic so that we can increase the scope of our automated test case. Observe this point, Svedar. With this programmable concept, we can increase the scope of our automated test. See, automated test case scope is very high than manual test case. Why? Suppose in manual testing, we may insert only single verification point for each test case. We can't insert 10 verification points, 20 verification points in a single test case. Why? Human user can't concentrate on multiple verification points at a time. If it is automation, you can insert 10, 20 verifications in a test case. You can use 10 conditional statements, 10 loop statements in your test case. Tool is software. It can concentrate. So, final, automated test case scope is very high than manual test case. Suppose if you want to automate 1000 manual test cases, for that 1000 automated test scripts not required. With 400 or 300 automated tests, you can automate those 1000 manual test cases. Observe one point, Sridhar. Why automated test case scope is very high than manual test case? Sridhar not responding. Respond quickly.
Yeah. We can able to use multiple verification points and we can able to use multiple conditions.
Automated tests are programmable. We can insert
Yeah.
multiple verification points. Tool is software. It can concentrate. So, automated test case scope is very high than manual test case.
Very high. Yeah.
Next, comprehensive. Comprehensive means completeness. Say, in automated testing, we create test batches. Then tool can execute test batches without manual user interaction. You can create test batches, 10 tests, 20 tests, 30 tests. If you click run command, then it will execute all tests continuously one by one. If it is manual testing, for each and every test case execution, human user interaction is required. See, comprehensive means we can create test batches in automated testing. Then tool can execute our test batches without human user interaction. See, these are the important advantages of automated testing. Sonu Pathak, just tell me, what are the important advantages of automated testing over manual testing?
It is faster
Faster.
than manual testing. It's
Next.
fast,
Fast is one.
reliable,
Reliable.
more reliable,
Okay.
repeatable,
Repeatable. We can repeat same test case with multiple sets of test data without user interaction. Next,
programmable,
reusable. We can reuse our test cases on
reusable.
multiple versions of builds. Next, programmable. We can program
Programmable.
our test cases, means we can insert number of verification points. Next, last one,
comprehensive,
comprehensive, means we can create test batches, then tool can execute our test batches without human user interaction. Okay now, Sridhar,
yes.
Yes, sir.
any query, Rohini?
No, sir.
Okay, cool, Rohini. Next, Rohini, tell me, what, suppose in an interview, if you face this question, why should Selenium be selected as test tool? Okay, test tool selection depends on our management, but as a test engineer, your contribution also may be required. Tell me, why should Selenium be selected as a test tool?
It's an open source. We can able to.
See, important reasons. First one, it is open source. It is open source. Reasons for selecting. It is open source. No cost. No cost. Suppose if you go for commercial tools like UFT, RFT, etc., license required. So it is one of the advantage to select, one of the reason to select Selenium as test tool. One, open source. Second one,
Multiple languages support Selenium.
it supports multiple multiple languages. It's multiple languages. Then what is the advantage? You can select your preferable language. Getting?
Yeah, as per the requirement.
Suppose if it is UFT, you must learn VB script. But if it is Selenium, you can select your preferable language. Next important one, portable. Portable. What is portable? Selenium supports different operating environments.
Systems. Operating
Microsoft Windows, Linux, Macintosh. We can here that is cross-platform. Portable means we can reuse Windows-based Selenium test case. Suppose we created some 100 test cases using Windows environment. We can reuse the same test cases in Linux environment or Mac environment. No modifications required. That is called portable. Getting the point?
Yes.
Say they're getting this point or not?
Got it, sir.
Ah,
Yeah, we can able to reuse the Windows environment test cases on Linux.
Linux
or any other
test case
environment.
on Mac, Mac test case on Windows. See, it is cross-platform. It supports different platforms. But you no need to write test cases for each platform. If you write test cases on one platform, those can be executed on different platforms also. Getting? That is portable. Next, integrations. Integrations. Say our Selenium support integration with other tools for broaden the scope of testing. Suppose you can integrate with Maven, TestNG, Jenkins, export result, extend reports, etc. plugins. So we can increase the scope of our testing. See, these four are the important reasons for selecting Selenium. Conclude, Rohini, why we select Selenium as test tool? First one,
It's an open.
it is an
It's an
open
open
source.
source tool.
Means inexpensive. Next,
It supports multiple languages.
multiple languages. Then we can select our
And
preferable
it's-
language. Next,
It's portable,
portable. Next,
and we can do integration.
it can integrate with other software for increasing the scope of testing. Okay. Next,
Then what are the disadvantages?
just a minute. Here we are not discussing disadvantages. Why we are selecting this one? Disadvantages may be there. So many disadvantages are there. But here we are discussing advantage only.
Okay.
Okay. Here also observe. What are the benefits of automated testing? Drawbacks also there for the automated testing. But we are not discussing drawbacks. Here question is benefits. Getting?
Sir.
Here second one question is why should Selenium be selected as test tool? If advantages are there, then only we select Selenium. Here say drawbacks. Here not required. Getting? Next third one, Rohini. I think in our training program we discussed this one. What is Selenium license? Selenium is
Apache
open
2.
source. Yes. Selenium is an open source software. You can use it with free of cost, but it has license. See, Apache 2. Apache 2 is the Selenium license. What is the objective of this license? What is the objective of this license?
We can download and use it.
Download and use it with free of cost. You can download and modify the source code and use and distribute to others with free of cost. But
But we cannot sell it.
but selling the modified code is not allowed. It is not Selenium is not for commercial purpose, commercial use. Okay, Apache 2 license objective is selling the modified code is not allowed. Next, remaining we'll discuss tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Fourth one, we can complete fourth one. Sonu Pathak, what are the testing types supported by Selenium?
Regression
Basically,
testing and data-driven testing.
regression testing, data-driven testing is test type.
Senate.
Just a minute. Is data-driven testing test type?
No, sir.
No, that is
Test cases.
arrangement. That is arrangement.
Yeah.
Say basically it is functional and regression test tool. Functional and regression test tool. Regression is not test type. As part of functional testing, we conduct regression. As part of performance testing also we conduct regression. Regression is change related testing. It is functional test tool. But according to Selenium official website, it supports acceptance testing also. Acceptance testing is test level. What is the meaning? Say we have 4 levels of testing. Unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. In all these 4 levels, we have functional testing. But our Selenium doesn't support functional testing in all levels of testing either. It supports functional testing in, say, functional testing in system testing level, system test level. Next, functional testing in
Acceptance.
acceptance test level. That's why Selenium is telling our Selenium supports acceptance testing. Not all types of acceptance testing. Only functional acceptance test level. See, Selenium doesn't support functional testing in unit testing, functional testing in integration testing. Next, according to our Selenium website, official website, selenium.dev, it also supports not full-fledged, little bit performance testing. It supports some subsets of performance testing like load and stress. Other subsets also there. Spike testing, endurance testing, data volume testing. But Selenium is not recommended for performance testing. Why? Selenium was not designed for performance testing. It was designed for functional testing. So don't try to use Selenium for performance testing. But it supports some sorts of performance testing. Getting?
Yes.
Okay. We will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.